We are living in the end of times. And the end of times is every 2,000-year cycle. Every 2,000-year cycle is an end of time. From our father Adam to the flood, our father Noah, the great flood, 2,000 years. From Noah to the Lord Jesus, 2,000 years. And from the Lord till today, we've just passed slightly over 2,000 years. We are living in the end of times.
Every 2,000 years po ay may nangyayaring significant sa atin pong mundo. Alam po natin na at the time of Noah, nagkaroon po ng Great Reset. Genesis chapter 7 verse 70 to 24, ang mundo ay nilinis ng tubig. Ginunaw po ng Panginoon ang mundong ito, setting the stage for a new beginning. Paano po tayo nag-come up na 2,000 years si Adam to Noah? Here are genealogies. Si Adam po ay nabuhay ng 930 years old. Si Seth, 912. Enosh lived 905. And Noah, 600 years. Summing up those years, adjusting the overlaps, approximately 2,000 years gap. Parang day 1 na po ulit after ni Noah. The first 2,000 years, Adam to Noah. The second 2,000 years, Noah to Jesus Christ. From Noah to the flood, and then Abraham was born, and then Moses was born, and then David was born, the first coming. It means that there is a second coming. In Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14, in Micah chapter 5 verse 2, around 2,000 years span, pinanganak po ang Panginoon. Hindi po na late. Jesus came exactly on the time that He should be arriving. We are really now in the last days. Since Jesus was born approximately 2,000 years ago, right on our time. The greatest thing that we are just anticipating right now is the second coming of Jesus Christ. Tingnan nyo guys, tumitindi ang battles sa buhay nyo. This last days guys, ang gagawin na lang po natin is talagang manampalataya sa Panginoon. Lord, lead us to righteousness, lead us to holiness. Yun po ang challenge to every Christian believers right now. Let us endure to the end, because to those who endure to the end will be saved. Paglaban ng holiness and righteousness. Guys, magpakatatag kayo bilang mga Kristiyano ha, especially na ngayon pong huling araw. Please, magpakatatag po tayo sa Panginoon. Kung ikaw hindi na masyadong nagbabasa ng Bible, you push yourself, read the Bible again, pray again, disciple again, lead a small group again, worship again. Talaga pong ngayon na po talaga tayo dapat nag-e-endure para kay Jesus Christ.